When your Rinnai tankless water heater displays error code 55, it means the unit isn't detecting proper water flow, so it won't activate the burner. Tankless systems rely on steady water movement to trigger heating. Inside the unit, a flow sensor and pressure switch monitor that movement. If the system doesn't sense enough flow, it shuts down as a safety measure and shows code 55. The most common cause is restricted water flow. This can happen from clogged inlet filters, mineral buildup inside the heat exchanger, or a partially closed water valve. Hard water is a major contributor because scale accumulates over time and narrows internal passages. A faulty water flow, servo valve, or pressure switch can also trigger this error if they become stuck or coated with debris. Start troubleshooting by checking your home's water pressure and ensuring all supply valves are fully open. Turn off the unit and clean the cold water inlet filter. Next, inspect visible pipes for blockages. If buildup is suspected, flush the system using white vinegar or an approved descaling solution. Rinnai typically recommends flushing once a year, or twice yearly in hard water areas. After cleaning, reset the heater by powering it off for a few minutes before restarting. If the error continues after cleaning and resetting, the flow sensor, servo valve, or internal components may require professional service.